Excited tayo dito para sa pag-create natin ng mini readable book na keychain. So yan, makikita nyo. Yung printing, syempre isaset mo to ng multiple copies in just one page. So for me, eto makikita nyo, gagawin ko tong 16 in just one page. So makikita nyo. And then, set natin na 100% para hindi niya magulo yung printing layout natin. So, ayan, 100%. Yan yung mga samples. Paper handling, gawin natin. Instead of all sheets, gawin natin even or add only lang. Para later on, tsaka natin babaliktad din yung copy and automatic, magba-back to back na siya. And then, print na natin yan. Next, yung cover natin. Siyempre, ganun din. Piprint din natin to ng multiple copies in just one page. And makikita nyo, lumalabas na siya dito sa Epson L18050 printer natin. So, bakit yan yung kinuha natin? Kasi capable itong mag-print ng A3 na size. And now, printing the book to cover, the dark unveiling. After printing the covers, what's next? It's actually laminating them. And for this one, pumili ako ng iba't ibang laminating sheet. Merong glitter, merong matte, merong glass, merong 3D. Siyempre, depende dun sa babagay, dun sa cover ng book natin. Yung next part is binding. For me, siyempre, kailangan na-reread siya, nabubuklat yung books natin kahit keychain lang siya. And for me, I had to make a decision na staple wire pa din siya. Even though hindi naman usually nisa-staple yung mga books. For me, dahil gagamitin tong keychain, not just something na babasahin natin, gusto ko mas matibay siya. So, ito, bumili ako nung stapler na heavy duty which can staple up to 100 pages. For this one, goods naman to mga guys. So, ayan, ayusin lang natin and make sure na pantay-pantay talaga bago natin i-feed and staple. And ayan siya, staple na natin. Okay. Smooth and readable. After that, of course, yung cover. Pero yung cover, hindi ganun kadaling gawin. No? Ito, nakat na natin siya. So, kailangan, lagyan natin siya ng mga scores or yung mga indent dito sa book. So, meron tayo ditong scoring board. Ayan, ginagamit natin siya to make sure na pantay and hindi masira itong mga pages na to. And ito yung sample, ayan o, pag nilagay mo siya, so okay ba yung kalalabasan niya? So tama yung thickness natin. So ito naman yung book 2 and yung book 1 gagawin din natin siya. Up next is the bookbinding process for the mini book keychain. So syempre dito, simple lang yung gagamitin natin. Isang glue gun. That's why kailangan natin siyang staple para sure tayo na madikit talaga and maayos yung pagkagawa at hindi siya masisira after nating i-open and i-flip yung mga pages. And dito makikita nyo, ito yung screw na gagamitin natin for the keychain. And then, yan, gamitin na natin yung glue gun natin. Apply generously para sure tayo na maayos yung pagkakabind sa kanya. And yan, didikit natin. Make sure na tama yung calculation more, estimation, para maganda siya kapag kinat na natin yung book. Walang masira or walang ma-spoil dun sa mga ginagawa nating book keychain. And then yan, make sure na iniipit mo talaga siya ng fingers mo para madikit talaga siya. And eto na yung mga products natin. So mapapansin nyo, iba-iba yung glint ng covers nila kasi iba-ibang cold laminating sheets yung ginamit ko just to test ano ba yung bagay dito sa mga mini book keychains natin. Ito I think is leather versus itong other one na parang holographic, and then yung isa naman dyan ay glass. Ang next process natin will be cutting. Okay, so yan, ilalagay natin and i-make sure natin na tama yung angle ng book. Medyo matrabaho lang itong portion na to. Kasi kailangan tama yung pag-estimate mo sa kanya. Since maliit lang yung keychain natin, hindi na siya nakukover nitong cutter na binili ko. So, kailangan dito medyo tansyahan lang talaga. Siguro kapag madami tayong orders, that's the time we can buy yung electric cutter. But for now, ganito muna, tiis-tiis and estimate muna tayo dito. So, yan, kinakat ko na yan. Binaba ko yung lever. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung black bumaba siya, di ba? And ilulusen natin para makita natin yung output. So, dito, tansya lang tayo ng tansya. Balik, cut ulit. Kasi nga, hindi pa tayo ganun ka-precise. This is one of our tests na kinondak dito sa pag-create ng mini book keychain natin. So, just bear with me as I try to perfect this process. And finally, ito na yung isa sa mini book keychain natin. And nakakatuwa kasi na-reread talaga yung mga pages niya. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-perfect. It's far from it, but this is a good start. Glue, very important. Kasi kapag may mga imperfections dun sa pagkakabind, what we're going to do is to make sure that we also put in additional glue para hindi siya madaling mag-loosen. So, ina-apply natin siya dito. Ganon din sa other side. Up next is yung pagkabit natin ng screw kasi very important element of the keychain is yung kakabitan mo ng chain. So, ayan, ilalagay natin dito yung screw. So, ito, medyo tedious din siya. Kailangan ng patience. And kailangan maingat ka kasi you don't want to ruin the book cover. Kasi pag naruin mo yung book cover, uulitin mo siya. Kailangan mo tanggalin yung entire book cover, create a new one, and then put it again over the book and do the same thing. Ayan, makikita nyo. So, nalagay ko na siya dyan. But that's not the end of it. Kailangan nating ma-make sure na matibay yan. The next part is of course yung pag-assemble na ng entire keychain. And for this one, what we're going to need is yung nabili natin sa Shopee, which is itong chain na to and a long nose. Yung maliit lang na long nose, pang crafting lang talaga. So what we're going to do is to assemble it now. So ito, may kasama na siyang this small metal ring piece, and then papasok mo dito yung kinabit nating metal screw kanina sa keychain, and then tighten it using the long nose. So for this one, make sure na matibay siya kasi syempre kung ibebenta mo siya, nagsasabit siya nung bumili sa'yo dun sa bag niya, kailangan hindi to agad masisira. So yan, we have one book keychain, and the best part is readable siya. So ito naman, another book. Let's try again. It's very easy guys once you get the hang of it. Itong last part na to, ito yung simple part. Yung mahirap na part is of course yung pagkakat and pagbabind. Pero pagdating sa point na to, medyo madali na siya. So makikita nyo, maganda yung quality ng book natin. The only thing here is, hindi mo mapiprint yung buong book kasi makapal yung book. So for me, I used 3 chapters for my mini books. Ayan. So hindi pa ganun ka-perfect, but it's good enough. Later on, as we produce more, doon natin magagawa yung perfection nung quality nung products natin. Ayan. The Secret of the Scroll, which is part 1 of Breaking the Scroll, book 1. Ayan, nababasa nyo, di ba? Ganda, guys. So, are you excited for this? You can also do this at home. And the last part of the process is sticking it dun sa mga boards nila so that it will look premium. And for this one, since this is my book, I also created a good background for it that states that it's readable plus it's signed. So you can also make your own and sell it at events, sa mga sticker con events, sa mga patron of the arts. Also, if you go there and join the fairs, then that's one of the venues as well. So guys, this is how you create your mini book keychain na readable and premium looking kasi kasama dyan yung signature nyo. I hope you like this video and please follow my channel for more of the good stuff na pwedeng pagkakitaan. That's all guys. Thank you!